Hey everybody, welcome back to A Better Computer. My name is Matt, and today's video is going to be super quick. Let's just jump into it. I want to show you Movies Anywhere, which is a service. It's owned and operated by Disney, but it basically makes it so that when you buy movies from effectively every major studio out there, Paramount and Lionsgate I think are the only holdouts, but if you buy movies from basically any of these other studios, you're going to be able to sync your purchases across numerous services. So if I go to my settings here and I go to manage retailers, you can see that I have connected, not these accounts, but these down here. So Apple TV, Amazon Prime Video, Vudu, Google Play/YouTube, and Microsoft Movies and TV. What this means is whenever I buy a movie on any of these 5 services, or if I wanted to add these, I could, any of these services, it will sync my purchase across all these services. So for example, let's go ahead and go to Apple TV and let's go to The Matrix Resurrections. And let's say I'm going to go ahead and buy this film, right? So I hit buy, I'm going to authenticate. There we go. So I've purchased the movie on iTunes, on Apple TV, whatever. So let's go ahead and close that, and I can watch it on any of my Apple devices. But I have my Google account here, and if I reload, you can see it's already in my Google account as well. And this would be the same across my Vudu account, my Microsoft account. And so I can go ahead, and I'm not going to because of copyright issues, but you can see I can just start watching the video right now. This is such a great service. It's completely free, and as you can see, this video was recorded in real time. There's no manual step where you need to go ahead and sync like a code. There's no like thing you need to find in your email or whatever. It all just happens automatically. So set this up once. I set this up a couple years ago, and it's just been working seamlessly for me ever since. So I can go ahead and buy a movie on Apple TV. I can watch it on my Android phone. I can buy it on Amazon if it's on sale on Amazon, for example, and watch it on my Microsoft device, right, through the Microsoft Store. All of this syncs really, really nicely, really easily. Anyway, this is totally free. This isn't a sponsored video or anything, and it's not really productivity based at all, but I wanted to show you this service because I think it is a really good thing to have if you do choose to buy your movies digitally. And you can do things like you can go here and buy things or like see retailers and buy it from them. But yeah, you're able to do all this really easily, really nicely. Movies Anywhere, moviesanywhere.com. Check it out if this is interesting to you. That's it. I'll see you here next time. Bye-bye.